What is the ERTC tax credit? Did you know that there is a little-known government program called the Employee Retention Tax Credit? It's also known as the ERTC tax credit. This program rewards businesses with a tax refund of up to $26,000 per employee. It was designed as part of the CARES Act to encourage businesses to keep their employees on the payroll during the pandemic. Stay tuned, because, in this video, we'll tell you exactly what the ERTC tax credit is, who is eligible to get it, and how you can apply, while it is still available. But, you should know, time is running out. Please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, if you enjoy our content. We really appreciate it, as it helps support the channel to bring you more content. So, what is the Employee Retention Tax Credit, ERTC, and how is it different from the Payroll Protection Program, PPP? The Employee Retention Tax Credit is a payroll tax credit for businesses that keep their employees on the payroll during the COVID-19 pandemic. Employers may claim the ERTC against federal employment taxes for qualified wages paid to their workers from March 13, 2020, to December 31, 2021. Businesses can retroactively claim the credit for prior quarters. ERTC is different from the PPP in several ways. The PPP is a loan, while the ERTC is a tax credit, meaning you do not have to repay it as the money you'll receive is not considered a loan. The PPP is only available to businesses that have experienced a decrease in revenue, while the ERTC is available to all businesses, regardless of whether they have experienced a decrease in revenue. The PPP is available to businesses of all sizes, while the ERTC is only available to businesses with less than 500 full-time employees. What if my business received a PPP loan? Do I qualify for ERTC tax credit? The short answer is yes. On March 11, 2021, the American Rescue Plan Act of 2021 was signed into law. It included many modifications and expansions to existing elements of previous stimulus programs. So, if your business received a PPP loan, you are still eligible for the Employee Retention Tax Credit. In fact, employers can now retroactively apply for tax credits in 2020 even if they received a previous PPP loan. Although the program is set to expire at the end of 2021, the credit can be claimed on amended payroll tax returns, as long as the statute of limitations remains open, which is 3 years from the date of filing. Who is eligible for the Employee Retention Tax Credit? The ERTC is available to businesses with less than 500 full-time employees, with a minimum of 5 W-2 employees. There is no limit for part-time employees. However, W-2 employees that are immediate family members would not qualify. Private sector companies and tax-exempt organizations that meet any one of the following 2 requirements are eligible. 1. A complete or partial shutdown of operations as a result of a government order due to COVID-19 in 2020 or 2021. However, even if you do not feel you meet this criteria, there may be some loopholes around it. So, it's always best to consult with an ERTC tax expert. 2. If your business revenue dropped by more than 50% in 2020, compared to the same quarter in 2019. Or a drop of 20% from 2019 to 2021. How do I apply for the Employee Retention Tax Credit? The ERTC is available on a first-come, first-served basis. You can apply for it through the IRS website if you want to go at it alone. However, we strongly recommend that you consult with a qualified CPA firm that specializes in the Employee Retention Tax Credit program due to its complexity. They may be able to help you qualify, even if you do not think you are eligible. Most CPAs are not well versed in ERTC, and using a CPA that does not know ERTC well could jeopardize your chances of getting the money you are entitled to. By consulting with an ERTC specialist, you can be assured that the application process is handled correctly, and you can be confident knowing that you will get the most tax credit refund that you are eligible for. That's why here at First Choice Business Capital, we are happy to announce that we have partnered with one of the best ERTC CPA firms that specialize in the Employee Retention Tax Credit program. Through this ERTC service, we make it extremely easy for you to navigate through the process. Simply click on the link below in the description to see if you are eligible and how much you can expect. The link will take you to a simple form online, where you will answer just a few non-invasive questions. From there, our team of ERTC experts can determine if you likely qualify for a no-strings-attached tax credit. There is no cost or obligation to be pre-qualified. So do not hesitate, there is nothing to lose to find out if you qualify for this tax refund. This is essentially free money that you could be leaving on the table by not taking action. Click on the link below, answer a few simple questions, and see if you qualify. Remember, applications are still being accepted as of now, but don't wait because you could lose your chance at getting the tax credit that you are entitled to. If you have any questions, you can call us at 877-235-0672 to speak to one of our funding specialists here at First Choice Business Capital. You can also visit us at firstchoicebusinesscapital.com.